A pre-owned 2001 Saab 9.3 SE Convertible. This two-door convertible has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter I4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Saab has less than 87,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power door locks, and traction control.